JK News.
How you also very friendly, you know? We are only following our orders.
What's the two countries?
We have no intention of doing it. Like you are.
你跟他讲，我现在用我，我到他那边去行不行？你问他我很友好。And my cousin wants. 我现在过去行不行
you if I drive the car to Zed, she fussies is okay? No, that's not the point. The point is that area is as per Indian law is our border meeting is 50 feet.
好，你妈的给我进库！你跟他讲，现在你把给我库，否则有事情在你妈直接会把他们知道。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise. I just want to tell you one word. Okay, if we are given orders, if we have to hit that point, then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have given some orders, you have to follow the same order.
Just want to tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
go back right.
We will go right.
If we have any arguments, you will undertake justice, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India and
不想大家是婆。
We'll go back. But the point is, the way you are taking that's very wrong. Okay, that's not the way. If
you don't want to find each other.
See, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss. Okay,
我就不希望他们。
Again, yeah, go back. We are going right. Okay, we are going right.